Hey guys, it's been a minute, and I'm so sorry about that. It is now November of 2020. A lot has happened since the last time I made a video. I'm getting married in April, which is really cool. Big life events happening. But yeah, it's been a minute, and I am sorry about that. But I'm here now, making a video. So yeah, you know, I figured why not. I got the time, had an idea, so set up here on the floor in front of my Christmas tree. Yes, I said Christmas tree. As you can see, I've kind of already decorated for Christmas because it makes me happy, and this year's been crazy and we just need a little joy. So whatever, you know, whatever makes you happy, that isn't hurting other people, I say go for. Yeah, it's like November 8th right now, and all my Christmas stuff is up, and just pulling out my candles and my soaps and cleaning stuff, and decided I would sit down and kind of tell you guys some of my favorite scents for the holidays. Let's get started, shall we? Some of my Christmas stuff. So this is my first candle. I got it at the end of the season last year, so at their semi-annual sale after Christmas, which always gets me in trouble. And this is Santa's Workshop. It's cute. That's real cute. But it just smells like you got done baking cookies, and will give the illusion to your neighbors or anybody you have coming over that you've spent all day baking cookies. So it's a good trick. But it smells so good. So my next candle that I have, let's see, I think I'm going least favorite to favorite scents. So it would be the Peppermint Marshmallow. Again, a really sweet one. But I like how the marshmallow scented ones aren't overly sweet. Like, unlike, you know, the snickerdoodle where it's like just straight sugar. Straight sugar. Straight sugar. That doesn't sound right. I'm sure it's fine. But it doesn't smell like straight sugar. It's got some peppermint in there. So it's just a really light scent. I like this more than the twisted peppermint because I feel like the twisted peppermint is just a lot right in your face. But this is just a really good light Christmassy scent. So this is the one I have burning right now over by my coffee bar. So I have the other one's like halfway burned. So after that one's burnt, I'll light the Santa's Workshop. When I'm done with that one, if it's just because I got tired of the smell or burnt out or something, whatever, I'll put this one back out. And I really like the color. It's like a light pale green, you know, like a sagey green almost. Beautiful color. Very pretty. Smells so good. I'm gonna say that about all of these candles because I wouldn't buy them if I didn't think they smelled fantastic. So this next one is one I start burning in September. So I burn it September through December pretty much. So for like 3 months. I go through a lot of them because it's one of my favorites. And it's the Fireside Marshmallow. So good, so good. So it's kind of a smoky scent, but still really sweet. I don't even really know how to describe it very well. But again, it's one of my favorites. But I've got one. I think I have 2 more. Maybe this might be my last one. So I've got to get more. The semi-annual sale after Christmas is what I'll spend some good Christmas money on. Getting myself caught up or stocking up on my candles. Because I love burning candles in the fall and winter. It's just cozy. I like a really nice cozy feel. But this one is Toasted Marshmallow, Smoldering Woods, Fire Roasted Vanilla, and Crystallized Amber. So it's got some real good musk to it. Like, it's not a super sugary sweet one either. So I typically don't like to go over the top with the really sweet scents. But this is sweet enough, and then with the fiery scent to it, you know, when you light it, it smells, it's amazing. It's really good. But yeah, so this one will burn through November, through the end of the month, and then December comes around and then I'll put it away, or whenever I'm tired of it. But it's one of my favorites, honestly. I've been buying these for 3 years now. I think I've been burning them for 3 years. So Fireside Marshmallow is fantastic. So good. Highly recommend. I love it. Again, I told you I would be saying that for all of them. Okay, so the next one is just a regular Christmas favorite, probably, I'm sure. It's just a vanilla balsam. I really like, you know, the foresty, woodsy scent. Because we don't have real Christmas trees. I've never had a real Christmas tree. Mainly because my mom was always allergic, so we never did. And it's just easier and quicker to use an artificial tree. But I still like that scent. And so it's a sweet scent, but still has that deep-rooted like musk to it. So it doesn't like overdo the sugar, like I said with all of them pretty much. But this is really nice. I love the deep green of it. It's become like my favorite color recently. It's that deep forest green. And it just smells so good. So I'll burn like one of these, and then right now I've got the Fireside Marshmallow going, and I think my other vanilla balsam is like right up here. So I've got them burning. And then my last candle for winter, and this is like my absolute favorite, like top tier winter candle. And normally they don't put it out until like right before Christmas or right after Christmas. And last year it was like the end of the season before I found them on the website. But it's the Snow Mountain Lodge. So good. So good. This one's kind of messy. You know, I don't know what happened while I was shipping. I pulled them out of the box last year and it was like, oh, okay. But it'll still melt just fine. But it's all like PC. So, and it'll like, it'll fall out. But, it's so good. Like, it's so good. Like, it just is cozy. It's cozy. Cozy and fresh. Cozy and fresh is how I would describe this candle. So good. It is so good. So good. I will be very sad when they like retire this scent or whatever Bath and Body Works does. Just because it's, you guys. So good. I won't pull this one out until December though. So December is when I'll switch out the Marshmallow Fireside for the Snow Mountain Lodge. Or maybe just after Thanksgiving. Maybe after Thanksgiving I'll do it. It smells so good. Like, I wish you guys could smell it through the screen. So good. Like, I wish you guys could smell it through the screen. But you get the chance to, I would definitely suggest ordering this candle. Little ASMR. Oh, it's so good. It's just so good. It's my favorite. It's my favorite. I can't wait to put it out. But I will wait because I only have like a couple of them, and it's gonna make me very sad when I'm done with them because they don't have it right now. So those were the candles that I really like. But I have some other scents. I have a body wash that I bought today, and then some soaps that I've had, and I will put out, because like I said, I'm just kind of switching out my fall scents, and I'm putting my Christmas stuff out. So I have this frosted coconut snowball soap. So good. This is going by the kitchen sink. And it smells good. It smells good. I love coconut. If you guys saw my spring summer favorites video from forever ago, I had a couple coconut scented things as well, but those were definitely summer scents, and this is a winter scent. Obviously snowballs. But what does it say? Does it have the notes on it? It doesn't. It doesn't have the notes on it. Let me look them up. Let me see if I can find them. So it says an island meets igloo, blend of creamy coconut, whipped vanilla, and sugar crystals. So that's what this one is. Very sweet. But it's a soap, so it doesn't really linger long. But it's a cute little package. Really, really pretty. You know, love it. So that one will be going over on my sink in the kitchen. This next one will be in my bathroom. But it is the Fresh Falling Snow. It's got a cute little ice skating hedgehog on it. I think that's adorable. So cute. Let me find the notes for this one. So it is a cool fruity blend of icy melon, holiday pear, and falling snow. So this one might actually be better at this kitchen sink. I don't know. I think either one will be fine. I can kind of get the fruity scent of it, for sure. But it's light. It's a really nice light scent. So yeah, maybe I'll put this one by the kitchen sink then. This one does have more of a scent to it. The frosted coconut. Gotta stop opening it like that. Yeah, this one will probably go in my bathroom. So we'll switch that around. And the last scent that I have from Bath & Body Works is the one I bought today. It's the Vanilla Bean Noelle. It's just a body wash because I like to use it for bubble bath when I take baths, and I just wanted a good Christmassy scent. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, and this does say it on it. The fragrance notes of this guy is fresh vanilla bean, sugar cookies, warm caramel, whipped cream, and snow-kissed musk. Caramel? Warm caramel? Caramel? I don't know. I feel like caramel's a little bit bougier to say. Caramel, normally. Like caramel apples. I wouldn't say caramel apples. Caramel apples. Fresh vanilla bean, sugared cookies, warm caramel, whipped cream, and snow-kissed musk. So it's a really nice scent. It's nothing crazy, but just a good little like warm scent. Like scents can be warm, right? Scents can be warm. It's a nice warm like cozy scent. So those are the Bath & Body Works scents that I have. So there's like one more scented thing that I use that helps me kind of get in the holiday spirit, I guess, scent wise. But it's the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the Iowa pine scent. So when I'm cleaning and putting away all my Halloween decorations and wipe everything down, I'll pull this out and start cleaning with it. And so this is what I'll use from November until springish, and then I have the lavender scented one that I use the rest of the year. I also have the dish soap in the Iowa pine scent that I use. That's really nice. It's just a really nice fresh pine scent, you know. Ooh, that dripped on my pants. That's cool, real cool. So those are my Christmas scents that I just really enjoy, and really just kind of help get me in the Christmas spirit. You know, Christmas is such like a happy time of year, and just makes me feel warm and cozy. So I'm like, why not decorate early and pull out my scents, because you know, we could all use a little extra cheer and joy this year, in 2020. But yeah, so yeah, I guess that is that. I really do appreciate everybody who tuned in and watched this video. If you're new here, thank you so much for deciding to click on this, and if you have seen a couple of my videos before, thank you for clicking back in, even though it's been a while since I posted a video. I really do appreciate everybody, and I hope you have a good holiday season. I'll try to do more videos, I think. If there are any like suggestions of what people want to see, I'd love to hear them, so you guys can just like leave a comment. Yeah, so if you want to, it's my cat's favorite time of year too. She's under the tree. Hi, baby. She's right here. Josie, say hi. She's like, no. She's not about it. But they love Christmas. They love being under the tree. The minute I pulled the box out, they were already chewing on it. So they're excited for the holidays, just as much as I am. But if you want to subscribe, I'd love that. You can do that down below too. And I will see you guys later. Thanks.